Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me an email via email. They had a rectangle that's 24 by 15, and they wanted to put a oval shape ellipse inside here, but they wanted a half of an inch off the border. There are several ways you could do that. You could stretch it and play with it and get it done. But to be the half inch is kind of a little bit of a trick. So if you go to Windows and go down to Dockers and open Object Coordinates, and you've got this shape selected, if you'll go right here, it'll draw a circle or an ellipse or an oval inside that, and then just click Create an Object. Now we've got that object selected, and go to Effects, Contour, Contour to the inside, one step at 0.5 of an inch. And there you have an oval. Of course, you would need to select them all, go up to Arrange and break them apart, and then take away the outside circle. And now you have this oval shape that is a half inch off all the way around. Pretty easy. This object's coordinates can do quite a bit. It can tell you exactly where it is, and it's kind of fun to play around with. But anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.